So this is a snacks vending machine. So we are going to show you the contactless feature in the snacks vending machine. The contactless feature we are using the Mobivend. So now I'll show you how it works. So I'm choosing the payment. So phone pay, Google Pay, whichever we can use it. So I'm choosing Paytm. So check the price in the machine. So it's already displayed. It's a 10 rupee and 10 rupee, 20 rupees, like that. And check the selection. Keypad selection 102, 204, 304 is 20 rupees. Here I'm putting 10 rupee, and here the description, add the selection. So I'm choosing 204 selection. This is the one selection. So now I am making the payment. Now payment has been done. Now the credit will come to the machine display. Machine selects the product slot number 204. Product has dispensed. Now I am taking the product without touching the machine. I didn't touch